Today in this video, I'm gonna show you like how you can save your Xd project into your local computer. Suppose I recently designed this project and I have to save this what is called project in my local computer, but I cannot find out where I save or where this is located. Okay. Alright, so click on here this menu bar here, 3-dot menu, and then you see here save as a local document. Just click on here. Then you see here automatically showing like your path where you just want to save. So I just select here Adobe, like here this document and Xd, this folder. If you want to change anything else in your other, so then you can change from here. Just simple select. Okay, that's it. It's very simple, man. And then type your project name. I already saved this project, so let's 111 and let's click on save. Then this project will be saved in my local computer. Let's paste my so let's go to document and let's go to this folder Xd, and then as you can see we recently saved this project 111 my design project. Now if you want to save this project as like an image, so then it's very simple, man. Suppose you just working for a client, so then he just tell like, hey man, let's give me your project, like whose type of design you do and how it's looking, can you show me? Then you have to send this image. So how you can save the image? It's very simple. Just click on here menu bar again and go to here this export option, and then see all attributes option. Just click on all attribute. Then you see here like format, whose format you just want to save, like PNG or PDF or JPG, whatever you like. And here the export as design web, what you select. I think this design is best, and let's click on this export and artboard. But before save, you have to select your document or it's called path. So you can select here from here. Just click on change. You can change from here. So let's select Xd and let's select the folder and let's click on export all. Now see already have this project in this folder. So let's click on replace here. So then see export is successfully done. Let's go to our folder and let's click on here this one, and let's click on enter, and let's find out here home. Alright, so this one our recently designed project. So this is our image. Okay, this is our image and this is our Xd file. Okay, so I hope guys now you can export your project as like image or as like in a project file, whatever you like. If you think this video helpful for you, so please click on this like button, and if you're new here on my channel, so please consider and subscribe. Thanks for watching.